Hello everyone, thank you for watching and welcome back. I am taking the shade Buon Fresco and applying it all over my crease. You really want to make sure this color is built up really nicely. So what I did here is I took a more densely packed brush and I really focused building that color up in the crease as much as I could. Then taking a fine liner brush, I began to carve out my crease with some concealer. And one trick that I actually learned if you have hooded eyes, such as myself, is if you drag out the concealer onto your eyelid like I am here, and then you can simply look up. And then when you look back down, you will have that line created for you, and all you have to do is just fill it in. So that's one trick you can do if you're struggling with creating a cut crease. Then I just went in with my finger and blended it out a little bit. And taking the shade Midnight Cowboy by Urban Decay, I'm going to be packing that onto where I put the concealer. Taking a little bit more of the shade that we first used, Buon Fresco, I'm going to be applying it with the same brush in my crease to really deepen that up. Taking the shade Cypress Umber, I'm going to be focusing that on the outermost part of my eye. You really want to take your time with this shade and blend it out as much as you can. So I definitely recommend you not to have your makeup on already because there is a lot of fallout with the shadows. And don't be afraid of the mess. I do go back in and clean it up with a makeup remover wipe. Taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is actually one of my favorite mascaras, I'm going to be making a thin layer on my eyelashes because we are going to be using some pretty dramatic lashes for this look, so there's no need to use a lot of mascara. Taking the shade Cypress Umber, I'm going to be applying that on my bottom lash line. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I don't like these lashes. Like, they look really pretty and dramatic, but oh my god, they were such a pain to put on. Like, it was way too hard than it should have been. Taking some more Buon Fresco, I'm going to be smoking out the bottom lash line and diffusing the Cypress Umber a little bit. For my waterline, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Vice. And then I'm adding a little bit of mascara on the bottom lash line. This completes the final makeup result. I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching.